Okay, so we arrived to the resort. Finally, we had a very nice lunch in an amazing restaurant. Now we're heading towards some magical resort. I'll show you. I'll just switch the camera to the front and I'll show you in a minute. Quite wild, but it's nice. So just to remind you guys, this is all after lockdown. So not many tourists have arrived yet. So that's why they are still preparing for the wave of tourists longing to spend some time in Andaman Islands. So that's why it's not so perfect yet, but it's still amazing. I really like it. Little cottages like that. I think it's awesome actually. Very private. Doggy. Hello doggy. Hello buddy. Hey buddy, how are you? I like when dogs are hanging around. I love dogs a lot. Okay, now dog is licking me.
Have a look. What you want, which one you feel better? You can have it.
Let's see what's inside. Let's open the magical curtain. Okay, simple, nice. Oh, nice and cold at least. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's not the top resort, of course. But all you need is pretty much bed, which is very nice, spacious, little TV. The fan is there, of course. We're going to that room. Okay, well, I just finished showing this one at least. So here probably Rakesh will sleep. Let's see the bathroom. That's the bathroom, that's me. Okay. Funky shower. Showers are actually very funny here. That's what it looks like. The toilet, spacious. That's what you need really. You know, when you're in places like that. Those beautiful islands, beaches and restaurants, you just don't spend time really inside the room. You just come here to sleep. Okay, let me just get out quickly. Yeah, I'm taking the bag as well. Okay. Up. This is our room here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's the same really. They are the same, right?
They are the same.
So here's Jonita,
Yeah.
Daniel and Miro. Well, the good thing about it is, well, it's a simple room really.
Yeah.
We won't even use the TV or anything, we will just literally use this bed.
Okay. So.
But the good thing is that there's AC, so that's compulsory. I'm going to check now. I think it should be fine. Here's a toilet. Yeah, same like the other one. They're all the same really. Funny shower, just like a pipe, maybe it's like, yeah, barely hanging, or you see. That's the shower. Toilet is fine, of course Western toilet. It's not the Indian style. It's all good. Little basin, a mirror. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's pretty much all you need. As I said, it's not about having luxury here. In this resort, we will change resort in probably next day or 2 days time. But for now, where are you going?
You are going. He's waiting.
Oh yeah, we're going. Okay, so now we're going to shop with Rakesh.
Some goodies.
Some goodies. So it's amazing. This is the. Huh? Okay. Here's doggy.
So I'm going to
So
do
this
the
is my new friend.
formalities. You guys go.
Okay, we'll be back in about 10 minutes probably. So this is the place. It's completely empty right now, which of course is not good for them, for the business. After so many months of lockdown, you know, and tourists not being able to come to the islands. Hey Billy! There's a little cat, you see. Hello kitten. Okay, since you're scared then, you're scared. Oh, what are they drying here? What is this? Betel nuts. Oh, okay. Wow. So this is the one that you chew, right? Is that for chewing thing? Amazing. It's not my type actually of chewing gum. It's a nice place. Okay, so we see you in the shop. We're going to shop, wine shop. Rakesh, is it okay if I record? They won't mind. Oh yeah, it's just outside here. Oh, okay, perfect. Local wine shop, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, how are you? Royal Stag. I know Royal Stag. Royal Stag whiskey. So basically that's what they've got in the shop here. Not much, but it's enough really.
You can have this other one.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Lower
let's see.
range budget and the higher one.
Okay, let's see.
Wow.
Okay, this is the higher budget shop. It looks like amazing.
Okay. Which one you want?
What rum have you got? Have you got some rum?
rum में कौन सा है?
Not too expensive, of course. Below 1,000.
ओल्ड मंक है क्या? वेयर हाउस है कौन सा है? हैं? अरे रहने दो ठीक है इससे कुछ नहीं है.
Old monk is there?
तुम बताओ ना कौन सा है? क्या लिखा है वो बताओ.
That would be amazing if you had old monk.
No, old monk they don't have.
They don't have, yeah. Anyway,
I don't think.
you like whiskey, right? Let's get one whiskey, one rum.
Yeah, one whiskey.
I'm okay with the Royal Stag that we saw there. I think it's like 600 for that. So I think this will be fine.
थोड़ी देर अगर घूम के आके फिर ले लो ना 1 घंटा बाद.
It's very nice area. This is the area around, it's very nice. What I like about Havelock is that it's really peaceful comparing to Port Blair where we live, where we're staying. No one is honking here as much and it's just like so green and close to the nature. It's just wonderful, really. It's just beautiful. Okay, I'll catch you later probably when I shoot something new. See ya. Who is this? Who is this? Appa. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Who is this? This is local doggy. Local doggy. See? Hindu doggy. It's got this thingy. Cutie? Cutie doggy. Yeah. Eating. The story is simple. Takeaway from a place nearby. Same island. Same holiday. One day. So this is how you get it. So it's just like packed in the plastic, loose. I mean, I don't blame them. It's all good. It's noodles. It's chicken noodles. It's just funny because we don't have any plates. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to eat it without plate, without fork. They suggested to eat with hands, but since it's noodles, I don't think I'll eat with hands. It'll go like this. Just wanted to share. What do you mean good night? So that's how you eat. It's all good. It's perfect. You know. No one is too demanding. No one is complaining. It's actually fun. It's something new. It's just amazing, really. And I love it. I have to admit, I love it. I like adventures, challenges, and surprises. See you next time.